We know you. You and your garage are a recipe for mechanical magic. Trusty motors spin up your happy feelings. So we provide you joy that you can measure in RPM. We know that stockpiles of gears make you smile. So get ready to grin at our treasure trove of options. Are you an appreciator of actuators? We raise you our hefty lineup. And servos? Buddy, we're the actual city. For 25 years, we've helped makers like you transform their dreams into custom DIY creations. From bearings to brackets, to chassis and plug-and-play electronics, we have thousands of parts for your ideas. So come make them a reality at ServoCity.